This is Matt, and this will be a tutorial on how to post multiple videos to Instagram. So I'm right here on my Matt Crawford Creator Instagram account, as you can see right here. So I'm on desktop. The same principles apply if you're using your cell phone, mobile phone, whatever you have, your tablet, so on and so forth. So the sidebar here, we're going to click on Create, and we're going to click on Post. So this will allow us to do photos or videos. So we can drag photos and videos right in here, or we can click select from computer. So I'm going to click select from computer, and we open up my desktop here. So I've just pre-prepared a couple of stock videos here just to show you. So I'm just going to highlight both of those. I do have images in this folder. I'm on a Mac, so I'm just clicking there and I'm holding shift and I'm selecting there. So I have two videos. Obviously, if you have more than two, you're just going to select all the videos that you want to actually be uploaded. So now we will click on open, and just like that, the videos have appeared. They've been added. We can see that the other one is right here. So now we will just click on next. So this is like a New Year thing. It's actually New Year's Eve right now as I record this in the afternoon. So I've clicked next. Now we can do the usual changes right here with trimming and manipulating the images. I'm just going to click next, but these options are the same as they would be if you were just adding an individual video. Obviously we have multiple videos here, so you will add your description in here. You will type your description. You can add smileys in the usual way. You can add hashtags in the usual way. You have your advanced options here, just like you would have if you were adding an individual video. But this has been a video on how to add multiple videos at once on Instagram. You'll just click share, and that will share it to your timeline. And you can then have a situation where people are able to flick through just like this and see multiple videos. So maybe you've got a couple of videos of yourself in a gym, a couple of holiday videos, whatever it is. People can flick through those just like that. So hopefully you found this video on adding multiple videos on Instagram helpful. If you found it useful, drop this video a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.